Hey everyone! Today we are diving into something that is honestly a total game changer for digital storefronts. Have you ever dreamed of taking your WooCommerce store and turning it into a slick, professional, native mobile app, but without writing a single line of code? Well, today we're going to make that dream a reality. We're using this incredible tool called the Web-to-App Converter.
All right, so the journey kicks off simply by downloading the Web-to-App Converter straight from the Google Play Store. And right out of the gate, you've got two different paths. Now, the free APK build, it's great if you just want a quick test, but it definitely has limited features. So for our purposes, we're going to go the Pro AAB route.
To make all this a bit more tangible, let's pretend we're building an app for, say, Blue Star Coffee Roasters. Step 1 is super straightforward. You just enter your WooCommerce store URL. So boom, we plug in the Blue Star Coffee Roasters website. Easy. Step 2 is where your brand actually starts taking shape. You add your app name, upload your specific store logo, and pick out your brand's theme color. Then we hit Step 3, customizing the splash screen. You can tweak the icon size, pick a specific loader style, and really personalize those splash screen colors to make a stellar, polished first impression, before they even start shopping.
So Step 4 lets you create these beautiful onboarding screens. It's a great way to introduce your store and highlight exactly what makes your brand special. Step 5 is all about customizing the page loader. Actually, scratch that. You aren't stuck with just some generic loading wheel here. You can choose from multiple styles or even create a custom branded loader using your own logo. It really adds that premium user experience. And finally, Step 6 is designing the bottom navigation bar.
Think about your absolute favorite shopping apps. The bottom menu is literally where all the action happens, right? With this tool, you can effortlessly add and customize essential tabs, things like Home, Shop, Cart, and Profile, and you can tweak both the icons and the colors to match your vibe. By adding these specific navigation tabs, you're pretty much guaranteeing an intuitive, completely seamless shopping experience for your users.
Now we're shifting gears from visual aesthetics over to back-end power. Step 7 involves configuring your package name and app version. Step 8 is choosing the app permissions that your specific application is going to need to function. And then, Step 9, this one is massive, guys, enabling push notifications via OneSignal. Think about it. Unlike emails that just get lost in spam filters, push notifications go directly to a customer's lock screen.
The app lets you preview your work so you can see exactly how it looks before finalizing anything. Guys, you literally just saved yourself thousands of dollars and months of tedious developer meetings, all with absolutely zero coding required. It's pretty mind-blowing.
So I want to leave you with this final thought. In a world where your customers practically live on their smartphones, are you willing to just be another buried tab in their web browser? Or are you ready to claim your rightful spot right there on their home screen? It's time to start reaching more customers today.